Alright, this is a Burj Dubai construction update. It's October 2nd, 2008. And this is where we are. Supposedly we're like a year off. I don't know. But all the beautification up front is coming together. This giant swimming pool, which is going to have a dancing fountain up front like Bellagio, but I think it's going to be even more kick-ass. I wouldn't doubt it. But they've put some glass on the podium here, and it looks much better. And there's always somebody working, even on Friday between Eid and the weekend. Which, man. Again, it's hard to really grasp the scale of this building. Maybe that shot right there puts it in perspective. Amazing. Looking pretty good. There it is. Burj Dubai, October 2nd, 2008. This is where we are. Dubai Mall, soon to be open in 30 days. Like I said before, I'd like to see that happen. They gotta put a roof on it first.